In this video, we have been given that ABCD is a rectangle and AP is perpendicular on PQ, DM is perpendicular on PQ, and CQ is perpendicular on PQ, and AP is 6, CQ is 4, and DM is x. Then we have to find x. So the first method, ABCD, it is a rectangle. That means these angles, they will be 90 degrees. And now from point A, if we make a perpendicular on DM, suppose this point is N, then in AN, MP, it is A, N, M, P. These three angles are 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 90 degrees. That means it will be a rectangle. So AP, it will be equal to NM, and AP is 6. So NM, it will be also 6. NM is 6. And now suppose this angle is alpha, then this angle is 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus alpha. Suppose it is beta. This angle is beta. Then this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus beta. That will be alpha. And this angle, it is 90 degrees minus alpha. That will be beta. And this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus beta. That will be alpha. So in triangle AND and triangle BQC, we have angle AND is equal to angle BQC, that is 90 degrees, and angle NAD is equal to angle QBC, that is alpha, and AD, it will be equal to BC, because ABCD, it is a rectangle. So triangle AND, it will be congruent to triangle BQC. Hence ND, it will be equal to QC, and QC is 4. So ND, it will be also 4. And now we have DM is x, and DM, it is DN plus NM, that is x, and dn is 4 plus nm is 6, that is x, and 10 it is x, so x it is 10, and the second method, we know that ABCD, it is a rectangle, and in any rectangle ABCD, it is a rectangle if we join AC and BD. Suppose this point is O, then AO, it will be equal to BO, it will be equal to CO, it will be equal to DO. So here, if we join AC and BD, suppose this point is O, then AO, it will be equal to BO, it will be equal to CO, it will be equal to DO. And now from point O, if we make a perpendicular on PQ, suppose this point is N, then we have AO is equal to CO, that means O, it is midpoint of AC, so ON, it will be AP plus CQ over 2, and ON, it is equal to AP is 6 plus CQ is 4 over 2, and it is 10 over 2, that will be 5. ON is 5, and now we have BO is equal to DO, that means O, it is midpoint of BD, so DM, it will be 2 times ON, and it is 2 times ON is 5, that will be 10, and DM, it is X, that is 10, so X, it is 10,